Come in, man. Start up the track.
Last shot. Hey, bad man, hold that. Post that.
Yeah.
Rifle spit up and boy.
Walla. The man say bad man do what? What's good, reaction gang? Your boy here. So before this video begins, guys, I want to tell you guys to go and subscribe to our couples channel, Moni and Ty. Alright, the screen recording is on the screens right here, right now. Subscribe to our channel, get us to 1,000 subscribers, right? We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers over there. We're late. Guys. Alright, she's saying please. We chilling though. We got some pineapple right here.
All 10K, y'all need to just go ahead to our channel. Subscribe, like, comment, look at some of our other videos.
Yeah, we're late over there.
Yep.
Enjoy the reaction. I'm out. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. You don't know the chopping of people. Right now, we name the 10K boss. Thank y'all very so much. Very so much. We can't even talk. Thank y'all so much for 10K subscribers, guys. It's been a lot to me. I know last time I put in the work, as y'all can see, I grind for it. I worked hard for it. So I want to say thank y'all for 10K. Right now, we are giving everything we ask. So we have Plumpy boss fade away right now. You guys have been spamming this for the longest while. But guess what? It's here. It's here. You understand? We try to get another video every day, but we start the marathons daily. We start the marathons now. And then 1 and 2 video again. Marathons. Numerous videos. So subscribe to the channel if you don't subscribe. The most lit reaction channel on YouTube over here. So see me and say, we are going straight to 100K. We are going for straight. Look at my face. Me serious. We are bringing a plaque home. I'm proud. Merch out now, people. As you see, link down below in the description of my videos. It's pinned in the comment section too. You can cop the merch. As you see me and say, run tune. Dip on the merch. And guess how we're going to do? We're going to run tune right now. That's what I say.
Sky.
Mirati, hold on, pause. Pre-bro got face. The man sprayed the fire thing that I got no one fire going on face. Watch out. Flame to us. Watch him face. Watch out.
Sky.
Watch him face. No, youth. So when I can't do something, you leave it alone. It never make for you. Watch him face. Don't get you no burn up my face. Hey. Hold on, Rachel. Biggest cliff. Alright then. Bad charge now. Plumpy boss. Link to the original song is down below in the description of a video. I'm trying to remember. If you listen to that song already. No, I'm not doing the rest of that song already. So no. So my first time I miss that song, you see me, I said I'm never doing the reaction to Plumpy boss. So my first Plumpy boss reaction this week. Make us see what I'm going for that song. Alright. Now run tune. Come in, man. Start up the track.
Last shot. Hey, bad man, hold that. Post that.
Yeah.
Rifle spit up and boy.
Walla. The man say bad man do what? Bad man hold that. But what? Rifle spit up and bomb cloud. Go on.
Send them in at the ground, dash rose out and reach pan boy. Lift up and hold that.
Bomb cloud. It's to the floor. Hold on. If you run back. This is what the man say, yo. Go on, Plumpy boss. Go on.
Lift up and hold that.
Yeah.
Post that.
Yeah.
Rifle spit up and boy.
The man say lift up and hold that. Yeah. Both that. Yeah. Rifle spit. Lord God. No. We need for my lighter people, but watch ya. See him flame. Every time I do this, I comment the fire emoji them paper. Bumbleclit. Run tune.
No take talk for too long. Send them in at the ground. Hey.
Why say take talk for too long? I think too long. You know what I'm saying? No, hold on, bro, God.
Rifle spit up.
Alright, then go down.
We no take talk for too long, send them in the ground.
You hear that? The man said no take talk for too long. Too long, the man. You know the accent value. I want to say you want to take talk for too long. But yo! Run the bomber clad tune!
Hey, body not real, we nobody not so.
Yeah.
Them, this dealing, them have to run up
and you hear that? Drive by. I don't know if you look at this Plumpy boss right now when you. The man say, guess what? Him man body in a real life, you know only body in a song. Bomber clad. Hey, you know body not. The man say body in a real life. Him not only body in a song. You see me I say? So I make sure you listen to what the road God say to run tune.
The men's are not make the case song. From we boca informer, tending a talk.
Deaf.
Boy, ya get we chat go no na boss no grow.
Well, you think you can give them a chat no na boss no bomb bell gun. Youth. You know it's Plumpy boss. I don't know yet. Run tune.
The dirty skeleton out of the ground. Make the little babies run like no granny a come. Shake up
No,
the
no,
place,
no,
knock up
not the
clothes,
babies,
come
bro.
back.
Not the little kids, bro. Leave the kids out of this. You understand? Just bomb down the little ends and just cut that. No, Plumpy, that. We not do all of that. What the lighting and come off the camera already, bro. God. Be up your blood class like that. Red June!
Man, bust the K and make them feel that way.
Hey.
Yeah.
I say something about air a while ago. I hear him say, bust the K and make them fade away. You see me, I say, when I say about air, I'm thinking say something about air though. I know, I never hear good. Go on.
Make them feel that way. Links them tall.
Oh. We think him say something about air, but links them tall. Yo, the song has a vibe, be cool. I'm saying that go Trinidad Gunman song, man, the girl sang them. He just step on the rhythm dog and so go on, so. You see me, just sit down on the rhythm dog. You know what I mean? It's bad. Go on.
Out on the radar, boy, them dead, them make them know we fully bad.
Yeah.
Rise up the stick with the fucking pan.
Hear that? He's a make you know say fully bad and say, yo, this man is fully bumbuckly bad. Him just have to make you know say him fully bad, you know. Yeah, no, me tell him say your Plumpy boss him fully bad. Him just have to tell him no, so I can tell him no. Him man say him fully bad. Me always have to tell him no.
It bust like tire when they am a slam. Shot them pussy and no cameraman dog. Take life we no take time.
He's have to tell him no say, yo, you have to rise up and shoot them pussy and hold on the Plumpy dog, hold on no, you cannot deal with them so dog. Me tell him where something to tell them dog. You know I'm tell him, me tell him where something to tell them. Alright, Plumpy boss dog, it's alright, go on.
Circle and make walk. Cause from them this them no miss talk. Claim them tougher than brave heart.
Boom! I want to think about the song, people. I want to think about the song. I know so I rate the song in the cars. I want to recommend it, you know. You see me, I want to drop the reaction to it, you know. I do so soon I get it. I want to think about the reaction boss. I want to think about the song. And maybe, you know that, yo, I don't know how to do it to the dog. It's like on the comments say, oh, react to this before you watch the reaction them dog. Bumbo clean. Yo, really appreciate support that you don't even know. Red tune!
Oh, them boy and I'm a bitch dog. Make them vanish like witchcraft. When you take up case start discharge.
Man, I make them vanish like a witchcraft. When you drip the bumbo clam hot. Get some breeze in the car. We are sweat too much. How can I hear that music that? Run tune!
Bad man hold that.
Yeah.
Post that.
Yeah.
Rifle spit up and boy.
Boom! Bumbo clam, that's the part that is bad. The man say, bad man, hold that, post that, rifle spit out. Yo, that part is hard, dog. Nah, lie, brother. But you don't know, it's the chorus that I want to hear the chorus again. So I go through standing a bit and go in the next verse.
Bam boy, we no take talk fit to
next verse.
Off like a crash cabby. From them, this, them, dead action. As the cops.
Hold on, friend. Them, this, them, dead ask who? Ask who?
God man return like the mommy, hey. Fully done, swing a bright like college. Yeah,
oh, wow, lyrics, bars. The man say him fully done, youth. Him done bright like college. Him fully done, people. Him done bright like where? Buckler and back in the tune. Look a bit of you, I say.
Say knowledge, caps them ever clean, shine and polish. We take credit if you do the damage.
The man say him glass them ever clean, ever shine and polish. Wanna know about them, man, yeah? People run up on the like button if you like the video yet, dog. Guess if I sang you bad, BFI emoji in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed here for the mostly reactions on YouTube. The mostly channel on YouTube right now. This is the only channel if you subscribe to that. Look at me, you feel me alive. Run tune.
Bust the K and make them fade
away.
Shot them pussy and no cameraman dog. Take life in a take talk.
You hear that? No one say him take life, people. Him don't take talk. I want to hear about Bumbuckler. That reaction boss come and say I'm sign out now. So I sign out now and finish the song. Sign out now and finish the Bumbuckler song. Finish the Bumbuckler song, man. Go on.
Lift up the fall and a bitch fuck. Circle and make walk.
Watch bro got people. What bro got face? What bro got face with something there? Watch mommy. She didn't even see me over here, so go on do. Watch your face. I think this the blood clear. Yo, guess what, people? The reaction boss has signed out. I want to say thank you for the love and support. Thank you for the continued support. Thank you for 10K. And go cop yourself under the merchandise. So we have leggings for the girls, them. You see me, I say, we have beer pullovers and thing. We have tank tops. You see me, so we have woman shirt. We have everything over there. You see me, I say, big up your bumbuckle self and thanks for the support.
it.